Let's deep dive into the ocean of tools covered in our postgraduate program in data science and analytics. Excel. Picture Excel as your first treasure chest, filled with numerous utilities for data management and basic analytics. You learn the art of navigating spreadsheets, pivot tables, and more. SQL. Sailing ahead, you discover the island of SQL. As you talk to the database with SQL, you'll feel like a data whisperer. Mastering this language is key to unraveling the secrets of data. Python. Next, we venture into the Python's jungle, a versatile programming language. It's your Swiss Army knife, from data cleaning to complex algorithms. Tableau. The journey takes you to the Tableau Palace, where data comes to life. It's a paintbrush, a canvas, and your imagination all rolled into one. Turn your data into vivid, meaningful visualizations. Power BI. Onward to the Power BI Fortress. The all-in-one business data tool empowers you to create dashboards and reports with agility. It's your go-to for comprehensive view of your data kingdom. Hadoop. Into the mountains, we find Hadoop. When dealing with big data, Hadoop is your mighty warhorse. With its distributed processing, it's designed to scale up from single servers to thousands of machines. Spark. Our final destination is Spark, the lightning-first analytics engine. Perfect for big data processing, Spark is the more agile and advanced counterpart of Hadoop. Each of these tools are your companions in this grand adventure. They empower you not to just understand data, but to communicate, predict, and build a better future. Master these tools and more with our postgraduate program in data science and analytics at Imarticus Learning.